Hello Shiba Inu community, how are you, Shiba Inu family? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. I'm going to show my own prediction on the chart. Please don't sell the Shibas you have and let's enjoy the wealth together. Guys, Shiba Inu on the move again following recent correction. SHIB rallies by more than 9%. Shiba Inu is one of the leading meme coins in the world and has recorded massive profits since the start of the year. It is designed to compete with Dogecoin and eventually become the #1 meme coin in the world. SHIB rallied a few weeks ago, rising by more than 500% over the past few months. The rally took SHIB to the 08 level during that period. As a result, its market cap reached $35 billion, surpassing Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies in the market ranking. However, since then, SHIB has retraced, losing more than 20% of its value and falling out of the top 10 list by market cap. Shiba Inu has started to recover some of the losses and has been rallying over the past 24 hours. At press time, SHIB is trading at 0.56 per coin, up by more than 9% over the past 24 hours. SHIB currently occupies the 11th position in the market with a market cap of $30 billion. If it continues with its recent rally, it could overtake USDC and become the 10th largest cryptocurrency space. The rally comes at a time when the broader cryptocurrency is retracing. Bitcoin reached an all-time high above $69,000 yesterday but has now lost more than 5% of its value and is trading below the $65,000 level. SHIB could touch 0.6 soon. The SHIB 4-hour chart is currently bullish, with the MACD and RSI indicators showing strong buying signals amongst investors. If SHIB continues with its current rally, then it could top the 0.6 level over the coming hours. Crossing the 0.6 psychological level would set SHIB up for higher gains. However, for SHIB to rally towards the $0.7 level, it would need the support of the broader cryptocurrency market. SHIB could soon explode higher. The Shiba Inu price bucked the trend on Thursday. It rose sharply even as other cryptocurrencies sunk. The coin could soon break out higher. The Shiba Inu price bucked the trend on Thursday. The SHIB token jumped to 0.54, which was its highest level since Tuesday this week. The coin rose even as Bitcoin and other altcoins declined substantially. Why is SHIB rising? Shiba Inu had a spectacular October. The coin managed to have a major bullish breakout, which pushed its price to an all-time high of 0.90. Recently, however, the Shiba Inu price has been left in the dust. For one, it is still about 40% below its all-time high. This has happened even as some big cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have jumped to an all-time high. There are two main reasons why the SHIB price has lagged this month. First, it is mostly because the hype surrounding it has declined. Indeed, a look at Google search results shows that the number of searches has declined sharply in the past few days. The same is true with social media platforms like Reddit and Twitter. Second, the price has struggled as investors take profit and look for profit in other places. Some of these other places include in cryptocurrencies like IOTX and Kadena that have exploded this month. The Shiba Inu price rocketed higher on Thursday as investors cheered the decision by CoinDCX to list the coin in its platform. CoinDCX is an important cryptocurrency exchange in India. It recently raised $90 million from investors, giving it a valuation of more than $1 billion. The company has about 3.5 million customers and aims to reach more than 50 million in the coming years. Before today's announcement, the company offered Shiba Inu in its professional platform. Still, there are concerns about regulations. In the past few months, the Indian government has warned that it could ban cryptocurrencies. From SafeMoon to SHIB. Welcome to the X100 world. As October has come to a close, many in the cryptocurrency world are eagerly looking forward to the start of Moonvember. The month of November has traditionally been a strong one for Bitcoin as BTC, USD usually ending up higher by the end of the month, with the exception of 2018 and 2019. November's also been fruitful for fans of traditional finance, as data shows the month has been the S&P's best performing since 1985. But 2021's Moonvember is looking like a month set to shatter all financial expectations as crypto investors continue to reap the rewards of timely investments that have already made many a lot of money. The dog-themed Shiba Inu coin, often dismissed as a joke, rose by more than 700% across October. A savvy investor who bought $100 of the coin right when it first debuted in August 2020 would be in the top 1% of the wealthiest households in America 15 months later. Dubbed as the next Shiba Inu by some, ever grow past a $1.5 billion market cap in early November, having gained about 28,000% in a month. Holders of the cryptocurrency had also received more than $12 million in rewards as of November 1st. The successes of coins like SHIB and EGC come on the heels of other memcoins, who have astonished investors with impressive gains. Dogecoin, one of the original dog cryptocurrencies and a common talking point of Elon Musk, started out 2021 at less than a penny but surged to a then high of 69 cents by May. Even by late October, despite a price tumble, Doge still rested within the top 10 list of digital assets by market capitalization. Early 2021 saw SafeMoon become a hit as investors took advantage of the coin's redistribution fee on each sale to send the coin's price skyrocketing. One of the hallmarks of the X100 world is the enthusiastic communities of investors and traders who rally around coins, share their successes, and often discuss this on social media networks and within private groups. Social networking platforms like Cryptr, with a X50 growth since launch, continue to lead the way for cryptocurrency enthusiasts through its unique engage to earn reward system that offers rewards for every like, post, and comment. Cryptr users can also keep tabs on their coins via the portfolio tracker and safely scout for new investments as they engage with other users. All project promotions on the social network are vetted and reviewed to mitigate the risk of rug pulls and scams. The historical data only shows November as a great month for cryptocurrency bulls, and 2021 looks no different, meaning it will be a busy month for social networking platforms like Cryptr as traders show off their gains and hunt for the next big coin. SHIB has discovered a crucial resistance to break. Shiba Inu meme currency has rebounded after a week of high volatility and is presently trading in the green on November 11, 2021. On November 3, the market capitalization was at $35.14 billion for SHIB before plummeting to $27.8 billion on November 10, a loss of $7.26 billion in market cap during the time. As a result of the dramatic price fluctuations, leading crypto trading expert, Michael van de Poppe has predicted the next critical resistance to break for the decentralized dog currency at 6,275. Notably, the analyst has highlighted a possible second wave of interest on the SHIB chart at this price range. Van de Poppe has also identified the 4,375 as a potential area of interest. This is because SHIB tested support at this level following its initial crash. Consequently, the professional crypto trader has noticed that the $4,375 and the surrounding area may be of interest to those looking to make an entry. It now has a market cap of $30.8 billion with over $6.4 billion in trading volume in the last 24 hours, which is a 115.71% increase. The token's value correction has been triggered by multiple variables, with whale activity being the most widely thought to be the primary cause. In fact, the sudden increase in volatility began early last week when a whale made 4 transactions totaling 10 trillion SHIB to 4 different wallets in a single transaction. At the time, a single transaction was worth around $586 million. Shiba Inu is still generating news, and more investors are likely to be interested in taking advantage of any potential support areas. As previously reported, the number of Shiba Inu owners increased by 31.1% between October 10 and November 8, 2021, from 706,808 to 926,684. Another factor contributing to the rise of SHIB was the increase in social media activity around the currency. In this vein, the meme coin was the most talked about cryptocurrency on Twitter in October. Elsewhere, CoinDCX crypto exchange used by over 6 million Indians announced today that the platform will be listing Shiba Inu on Friday. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.